How to fix Twitter video quality. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Twitter or you would say X application. Now at the top left corner, click on your profile. Now tap on settings and support and click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap now tap on data usage. Now make sure to disable data saver. Now scroll down and tap on video. Now under video you will find an option for high quality video. Tap on it. Select mobile data and Wi-Fi. And that's it. I hope this should fix it soon. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.